What's up, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Angelic X here with Yoshi again.
Yes,
and like,
part 3.
Part 3. And like I said, I was gonna buy another box because it was bullshit.
No secret.
No secret.
No secret on the second one.
Yeah. So, anyways, also I need a rank of Magic Barrier Force. I mean, battling boxes yesterday. Fuck battling boxes, man. They had to ruin that fucking name. Brother Knuckles sounds way fucking cooler. Shut up, boss.
Yeah, we live in the Bronx.
Yeah, we live in the Bronx. Fucking box won't open. I'm sorry. There we go. The knife didn't do it. Knife couldn't do it.
You did it wrong.
I didn't do it wrong.
Yeah, this is the knife that we always use to open packs.
Alright, so here we go. We just open this bitch up real quick.
Should go with this side first.
This side first. Alright. Here's yours last one. Good one. Alright, first pack.
Hopefully you can pull Sandra.
Sandra.
Yes.
See what happens. Fire Brothers Explode. Dodo Tengu. Oh, what's the XC's in there? Mecha. Little Fairy.
Troll.
I said there was an XC's in there. I didn't say.
I know, it was a troll.
It's not a troll.
Some people be thinking it's a hollow and it's not.
I'm just saying this is XC's. I'm not Junior, alright? There's mad common XC's in this fucking shit, yo. King of the Pharaoh Imps.
Should put this over here.
More battling boxes. Jewels of the Vitality. Bachu Bizu. Dual Barrel Roll. Best card ever.
Oh shit! Yes, finally! Finally! We get that!
Hold up. We gotta leave it here for the video. Don't worry. Don't worry. You got it. You got it, bro. You got it.
1 and 1. 2 to go.
Here, this is my friendship card to you.
Yes, and he got the evil song as my friendship to him.
That's our friendships to each other. So yeah. Got it.
Finally.
See if I can get one of mine though. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf, Reacting, Bachu Bizu, Mind Drain, Battling Boxer, and Shark Fortress.
Troll.
I don't care, yo. Best common XC's
Yeah,
in
this
there.
guy said he wants all these, like all of them in the world.
All of them?
Yeah, I give him 4 for the 2 dress.
Tell him I got more myself.
Shout out to you though. Here's your card that everybody wants them.
For some reason. Alright, so Burner, Little Fairy, a Whirlwind, Reacting, XC's, Revenge, and nothing. Extreme.
Baby Dragon.
What?
This is like $1 because they're easy to pull.
I wonder what E-Dragon I'm gonna pull this box. Glassjaw, King of the Pharaoh Imps, Starfish, Jewel of the Vitality, Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon, and oh,
Ultimate?
Ultimate.
You got Ultra, right?
That's the second time that fucking happened, yo. The fuck? Oh,
You put the Ultra on, right?
where is he? He should be over here somewhere. I pulled this shit out yesterday in a random pack that I bought. Now I'll get him Ultimate.
You switch sleeves.
Why the fuck does this keep happening to me, yo? Oh well. That's Ultimate for me. It's just gonna look even more sexier. Yo, let's trade bait now. Holy shit. I think I can make another Battling Boxes now. Because I have another one of him. I have yolks for days.
Yeah, and I got all the extra commons too.
Yeah. Dodo Tengu. Mermail Abyss or whatever, don't give a shit. Fire Formation Kyoko, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf, and Big Whale.
Big Whale!
Please, whatever it is, let it not be that mermail.
Oh yes.
God, thank you.
Yo, this guy TZ, shout out to you. Yeah, he pulled 2 whales in 1 box. One Ultimate and 1 Ultra. And he pulled out the secret Kagoya.
The what?
The Fire Fist.
Oh my God! I pray for his box.
Shout out to you, CZ.
I hope your box your next box is better than that. Item Shield XYZ. Well, it was actually a good card.
Oh look, Blaster.
Oh hey, look, a blaster. It's my second one. Yeah, that's going in there, baby.
I hope you don't blame it on him.
don't know.
Yeah, by the way, he didn't get a secret one in the first one.
Yo,
he played this.
Yo.
What?
Look how that came out. I didn't touch it. That's how it went.
What the heck? Upside down?
It came out upside down. Oh, blast. Not bad. Fucking blast. I gotta know one of these bitches, yo.
What?
That's 3.
So, just at least I can get one too. I don't really need the card.
Switch hitter, Bachibizu, Glass Jaw, Garix,
The baby one?
and nothing. Gaga one. We need Gaga Academy. I don't care if it was anime only. That card was too good. Basically, activated, special summon one Gaga from your deck.
Oh, that's good.
That's it. We don't got shit, man. We need something like that. It's fucking bullshit.
Another Garunix.
Garunix again. Mind Drain. They got like 3 playsets over here. He gave them to Junior. 1 playset is Junior. Wolf. Number 69.
I'm gonna put it in my side deck now.
Either way, I still need to see number 69, so you're not helping me. And
ooh.
nothing.
Got hype for a comment.
Damn, this one's thick as shit.
What is going on, Cody?
We have Eagle Shark, Fire Brothers Explode, Dodo Tengu, Burner, Gigas, and ooh, Harpy Channeler. Yes, that's straight bait. Or if I want to make that Harpy deck, bro.
You said that you wanted it to make.
I do want to make it, but
depending on what you put, you should make it. And if you don't like it, then trade.
You can discard 1 Harpy card, special summon 1 Harpy monster from your deck in face of defense. Except Harpy Channeler, you can use the effect of Harpy Channeler once per turn. When you control a dragon type monster, this card becomes level 7. This card's name becomes Harpy Lady while on the field or in the graveyard. So basically, you can make Big Eye in this deck. Okay. Here's a fun fact for people who want to make the Harpy deck, right? So when the Harpies first came out, there was a big thing about them. Does anybody know well, just saying, you know, the #1 rule of Yugi, you can only have 3 of the same card with a name.
Yeah.
The problem with the Harpies was that they all said this card is treated as Harpy Lady. So like it didn't say it was treated Harpy Lady on the graveyard, the field, or in the deck. No, it's treated as Harpy Lady. So because of that, you can only run, like, you know how you had Harpy 1, Harpy 2, Harpy 3, you can only run 1 of each, or 3 of 1, and that's it. So that's what really hurt the Harpy deck. Now you have Channeler, and now you see they're more strict with it. They're saying in the graveyard or in the field, was it? Yeah, on the field and the graveyard. So now you can play more. So the only 3 you can really run of 3 are Channelers, Queens, and Harpy Lady Sisters, I think it was. So yeah. So far what we got? We got 1 Ultra, 2 Supers, and an Ultimate. So I have 2 more Ultras.
For the left side?
Yeah. I have 2 more Supers to go. No, 3 more Supers to go to, and
how many Supers you got?
2.
What the heck? Oh, this is a rare one.
That's a rare.
He's a super.
He's a super. They're on there. Anything that's good, I take out. So
fuck the rares, then.
Mermail, Abyssal Orca, Fire Formation Kaio, Little Fairy. Ooh, those go. Short print. Put it right here. Short print. Big Whale.
Big Whale.
Fuck.
That was a fail. No.
Fuck.
Junior, we hate you.
I'm fucking you up, Junior. Torrential was born.
He was talking about that card that he's gonna pull it out.
I'm about to go back to locals. I think Pepe was there.
He want another one, you said?
I don't know. On the face of one, a monster you control is destroyed by battle by card effect and sent to the graveyard. Spell summon the monsters destroyed and sent to the graveyard for 500 and spell summon all the monsters. You only activate 1 Torrential Reborn once per turn. Whoop-de-fucking-do.
I say I hope you pull another secret. It's a good chance that you can pull out because you started the other stars, so.
Parsec, Gronix, Mind Drain, Starfish. The fuck?
What the heck with these Big Whale?
Dragon Reincarnation. Fuck you, Big Whale. I'm tired of you. I have so many of you now. If anybody wants to trade me for this Torrential Reborn, I don't fucking care, but you better give me something good. Right now, the things I need are rank up Magic Barrier Force. And some of the Mecha Phantom Beast cards, not, you know, Draco Sack is a little too much, but, you know, if you want to do it, I don't fucking care. But, yeah. Glassjaw, Fire King Runix, Dodo Tengu, Memory Abyssa Orca, Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. I already have that. Gotta go.
Nothing. Oh shit. Yes, I got a playset.
Really? You didn't have a playset?
You put one, I put one, so it was the third one.
Oh, that's right, they're short print.
They're short print, yeah.
Burner, Magnum Shield, Far from Shikayo, Mermaid Abyss Orca.
I think this is better than the whale one that comes out of.
Sure. Dodo Tengu, Burner, Battling Boxer, Switch Hitter, Battery Bijou, Rhino, and oh god.
The promo card.
Oh god. Oh god.
Now you got the original one.
Oh god. Oh god. This is.
I don't wait.
This is good. He's the worst one of them all. He doesn't summon tokens at all.
What makes it the original one? This one or the promo?
No, this is the original one. I don't get in the back. The promo is just always Ultra. This is horrible though. He doesn't summon tokens.
That's why they gave it. They gave it the limit.
Why would you just fuck this shit?
He threw that shit out.
I got a fucking Ultra one if you guys want it. I don't give a shit.
That one's cool.
Fuck it. Oh.
I wonder what I got. Oh, what is it?
Still have it. Oh, short print, Summon Breaker.
No, we both got one.
Really, Battling Boxer, Switch Hitter, XYZ Block, Eagle Shark, Rhino, and Hamstrat. Oh, hey, playset.
So now you give me mine back. And then you want, right?
Yeah, you guys still have it. If anything, I'll trade it to you. Trade it for you, man.
How much you have with it?
Huh?
Oh, that was a playset.
That's the playset.
Oh,
yeah.
that's a playset.
Little Fairy. Oh, Rosebell.
I put like a playset with
Eagle Shark, Fireball Kyle, Wheel Frosty, and.
This is a proxy?
Huh? That's a prop.
A rare one? I'm just trying to touch something.
A rare one? What?
I mean, like I'm used to spell books with Secret and Ultra and Ultimate.
Jewel of Vitality, Fire Fist, Reacting.
Oh, no.
Oh shit. I'm pulling out dragons today. Oh shit.
Oh.
I'm pulling out dragons today.
So you're missing.
I have all of them. No, it's the water one. It's the only one I don't have one of.
Yeah, me.
You pull off the
Alright, so that's 2 supers. You got the 2 ultras already, 1 secret.
I have 2 ultras?
Yeah.
Oh shit, fuck. I'm not gonna get the magic card then. Fuck.
This guy and this 2, see? These are ultra.
Maybe I should go to the fucking before I leave. I should go there. I don't know. See. Jewels of Vitality, Bachi Bijou.
You got like 2-3 supers, man.
Dodo Tengu, XYZ. Come on, Kirkion.
Oh! I told you, 2 secret. That's the one. That was the one from yesterday. You didn't get it. Now you put 2 secrets.
Oh shit.
I told you, you may put another one out.
2 level 3 wins. During either player's turn, when a spell trap card is activated, you can detach 2 XYZ materials from this card, negate the activation, and if you do, this card loses 300 attack while it has no exceedance. It's an okay card.
See, but at least you pull out 2 secrets.
We'll see who wants it. Actually, the Mecha Phantom Beast can pull it off, actually.
Yeah. And the Heartbeat probably.
Oh wow, 2 secrets.
2 secrets. Let's see who goes for the 3rd one.
That's pretty cool.
Well, basically it was...
That was the one from yesterday.
Yeah, that was from yesterday.
XYZ Block, Battling Boxer, King of the Thing, Starfish.
Another one? Alright, so you have...
Down to the wire.
1... That's it? 1 super? And then it was 2 of them?
No, there's another one? No. Yeah, there's another one right here.
So you need at least 1 more super.
Yeah.
Cause you got 1 secret, so...
Whirlwind, Reacting, King of the Feral Apes, Battling Boxer, Triceratops Tortures, and nothing.
Nope. Is that what Sonic Warrior?
Yes. We're down to the wire, people. Yoshi got his pack and I'm still going. Falcon, Whirlwind.
Yo.
Don't say that, man.
Feels heavy. Another one.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yo, you need one more.
Yes! No, that's good. That's fine for me. Yes!
No, now it's a good box. Nigga said, fuck the secret.
Fuck those secrets, nigga. I got my Tachyons. Oh shit, they came on the same box.
No, damn. I haven't seen that yet.
2 more packs. Wow, man. 2 secrets, a Sombre, a Tachyon, a burner. What's the
Earth one.
Yeah, there you go. He's hiding people. Where the fuck
Fucking.
is the Earth one? There he is. Alright. So, oh damn, this is all a mess now. Who give a shit anyway? Alright, last 2 packs, people. Hey, put them all together. Just slap them all on the toilet.
Hey, where you going?
Fire Formation Kaio, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Wolf, Burner, Little Fairy. I haven't got him yet.
You haven't get one? I got 2 of those.
That's it.
So my last pack.
So you, man.
So I want to open his last pack. It feels kind of heavy though.
Let's see what happens.
You think it feels heavy, like?
Pretty heavy.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Let's see, but it better not be no brolic rare.
Fuck Taylor. Yo guys, if you could make us a fucking poster, I want it to say Brawlic Rare Effect Veiling. With trophies. Magnum Shield, Fire Formation Kaio, Mermaid Abyssal Osha, Parsect, Rhino.
Oh, let's see.
Oh!
See,
Oh! Yoshi! I'm loving you right now! I'm
told
fucking
you.
loving you right now!
That was it was so heavy.
Yo, my nigga, I'm going to fucking Locals next Friday. Or whenever we want to go, I'm going to Locals set. I can get whatever the fuck I want right now.
That's the most expensive super right now.
No, hell no. Christian is Sombre. But it's a spell. It's the most expensive spell.
It's
I still don't have my fucking rank of magic, but if any of you went into trade one, I got these trades, one's from yesterday. And if you want anything for Yoshi, just tell him, you know.
Yeah, just send me a message.
So yeah, rank of magic Barrier Force. Thanks for having us, guys. I think this is the best box out of all 3 of them.
Yeah.
Agreed? Yeah. And
It's just the shitty secrets.
no, I said I don't mind this guy. I said I didn't like this guy. But we'll see what we can do. So Team XNYC, hitting you up, one more video. Peace.